This is how you wind a bobbin on a Singer 1. Each machine's different, but it's kind of the same concept. You go in the back just like you're going to thread your machine, and you're going to come up to this metal screw looking thing, and you're going to wrap your thread around that, and then you're going to thread it into your bobbin. You're going to hold this thread up, run it across over to your bobbin spool, push it over. You're going to continue to hold this thread, and I wind it just enough so that that thread's attached and hooked down in there, and then you're going to cut it off and continue winding. And I finished my spool of thread off doing that, but it gave me a full bobbin. Now I'm ready to start quilting again.